This dance is called Something to Make You Smile. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot. You're going to step the right into that right diagonal, touch the left behind the right, step back on that left, kick the right to the side, into a little wave, crossing the right behind the left to the side, cross the right over, hold. That set of steps once more. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross. You're going to repeat that set of steps, starting with the left foot. So you step the left foot into that left diagonal, touch the right behind the left, step back on the right, kick the left to the side, into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over. That set of steps once more, then step, touch up on the left. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Add those two sections together. Step, touch up on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold. Into a rubber box. So you step the left, right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, hold, left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, hold. That set of steps once more, rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold. Add that to the top. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, to step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold. You're going to run back 3 steps, starting with the right foot, back, right, right, hold, and add on a coaster step, left foot leading, back, close, step, hold. Now set of steps once more, then running back off on the right. 7, 8, back, 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 hold, coaster, step, hold. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, back, 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 hold, coaster, step, hold. Second half of the dance starts off with a step, lock, step off on that right. So you step forward on the right, lock the left behind the right, step forward on that right again, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Wind to the right, so you step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, hold. Cross right, left over right, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side, hold. That set of steps once more then, winding to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold. Set that to our halfway point. Step, lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold. You're going to add on a jazz box with a quarter turn, stepping forward at the end, but all the steps are going to be made up of toe straps. So you're going to cross that right toe over the left, lower the heel. Step the left toe back, lower the heel. Make that quarter turn right as you step down on that right toe, lower the heel. Then step forward on that left toe, lower the heel. So 4 toe struts making up your quarter turning jazz box. That set of steps once more then. Cross strut off on that right. 7, 8. Cross strut, back strut, turn strut, toe strut. Add that to our halfway point. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold, cross, strut, back, strut, turn, strut, step, toe, strut. Step forward on the right, hold, step forward on the left, hold. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot another half a turn to the left. End of dance when you get to that point. That section once more then. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now you are doing the equivalent of a full turn right at that very end of the dance with that double step, pivot a half. Should you need to try and take that out, just replace it with a rocking chair. So your non-turning steps would be off on that right, step, hold, and then just add on your right-footed rocking chair. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out in that very last section. So let's add that to our halfway point. Step, lock off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold, cross, strut, back, strut, turn, strut, toe, strut, step, hold, step, pivot, step, pivot. That's your 2 halves. We'll now put them together. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold, cross, strut, back, strut, turn, strut, toe, strut, step, hold, step, pivot, step, pivot. So that's your dance, and not an and count in sight. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Step, touch up on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, hold, cross, rock, side, hold, cross, strut, back, strut, turn, strut, toe, strut, step, hold, step, pivot, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, step, touch, back, kick, behind, side, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, cross, strut, back, strut, turn, strut, toe, strut, step, pivot, step, pivot. So hopefully you managed to follow that, especially as I missed out the word hold on that last wall. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go. Timber music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, back, kick behind, side cross. Step, step back, kick behind, side cross. Side goes step, side goes back, 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 back. Coaster step, step, lock, step, pivot cross. Side behind, side, cross, drop, side, cross, drop, back, drop, toe, step, 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 pivot, step, pivot, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, lock, step, pivot cross, side behind, side, cross, drop, back, strut, toe, water, step, pivot, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, step, touch, kick behind, side cross, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, lock, step, pivot cross, side behind, side, cross, drop, back, step, pivot, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, step, touch back, kick behind, side cross, side goes step, side goes back, coaster step, lock, step, pivot cross, side behind, side, cross, drop, back, toe, step, pivot, step, touch, step, touch, rubber, back, step lock, line, jab, step, touch, rubber, back, step lock, line, jab, Hope you managed that one.